If we talk about the most loved baked dessert of all time, I think a classic baked cheesecake would be the one. Or something simple like a warm chocolate chip cookie. Well, these two are my comfort desserts and I was wondering how amazing will it be to turn these two into a baked cheesecake cookie. So I bought some farm fresh strawberries and after a few trials, we got the best strawberry cheesecake cookie recipe. I'm Chef Kirti Lavra and this is my Bake Along series, and today I'll be teaching you my version of a cheesecake cookie. Now before we get started, make sure that you have hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. So as we are making a cheesecake filled cookie, we will start by preparing our cream cheese inserts, for which we'll simply mix together some cream cheese and icing sugar. Once we have a smooth filling ready, we'll transfer this into a piping bag. Now using this piping bag, we are going to pipe blobs of 10 grams each on a butter paper lined tray. If you can see, our tray is on a kitchen weighing scale so that we can pipe the blobs precisely. Once the blobs are piped, we are going to place them in a freezer for 15 to 20 minutes until they are stable and easy to handle. So meanwhile our cream cheese inserts are chilling, let's start with the preparation of our dough. In a large bowl, we are going to place some butter, and now with the spatula, I'm going to mix this until it turns creamy. Once that is done, we'll add some castor sugar, followed by some lemon zest, and continue with the creaming process. Now we'll add in the brown sugar. So our creamy butter mix is ready. We'll now add in our dry ingredients through a sieve, starting with some all-purpose flour, followed by salt and baking powder. With the help of a spatula, I'm going to combine this until a rough crumble is formed. Next, we'll add in some milk and combine the dough with our hand. So our dough is ready. As we are making strawberry cookies, here I have a bowl of freshly chopped strawberries. I'm going to add these to the dough and combine until they are nicely incorporated. With this, our dough is ready and our inserts are also out of the freezer. If you can see, they are quite stable and easy to handle, which means it's time to shape our cookies for baking. So first I'm going to measure dough balls of 80 grams. Now into these balls, we'll place our cream cheese insert. Now very gently we have to enclose the insert inside the dough. This is the only tricky part of the recipe, but if you get this right, you will end up with a beautiful cheesecake cookie. So once the cookies are shaped, we'll top them with a slice of strawberry. So once our cookies are shaped, we'll place them in the freezer for 15 minutes so that all the cream cheese present in the dough stabilizes. So our cookies are chilled and they are out of the freezer. It's time to bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or until the cookies are light golden in color. Our cookies are baked and we can already smell them all over the kitchen, and I'm simply going to drizzle some cream cheese glaze over them. Well, I'm sure you will love the way they taste. I hope you guys try out this recipe before the strawberry season ends. And if you like the recipe, do subscribe to our channel.